try. What do you have in your hand?
That's
Life, yep. What's that blue toy you have?
blue.
Blue. Is it a star? Are you trying to feed it Cinnamon Life? That's very thoughtful. Can you say star? Can you say star? Can you say moon and star? Gentle. Did you get the star off the tree? Do you see another star on the tree? Yeah, you want all the stars, don't you? You want that star? You can have one toy from the tree and you have it in your hand right now, okay?
Hey, buddy.
He's dead. He's back from the boom.